Airbus's upcoming extra-long-range single-aisle narrow-body aircraft, the A321XLR, is expected to disrupt the status quo of long-haul travel. Airbus commenced the structural assembly of this new plane in May of this year. While most know where final assembly takes place, where are its parts built? Before we go any further, a crazy 79% of you have not yet subscribed. Please, do us a favor and subscribe now. It really means a lot. Any aircraft built today is a tale of multiple sites and countries. Innumerous components come together from all over the world to create the engineering marvels that are the foundations of modern commercial air travel. Airbus has long brought the various parts of its airplanes to its final assembly lines, or FAL, from all across Europe and beyond. The wings of the A321XLR are built where all Airbus wings are built, with the exception of the A220, in the plane maker's Broughton facilities in Wales in the UK. The Broughton plant has a long history in British aviation, dating back some 80 years, and is home to 6,000 Airbus employees. Meanwhile, the forward sections of the plane, up to and including the centre wing box, are made in France. The nose fuselage, forward fuselage and section 14A are all constructed in Saint-Nazaire on the Atlantic coast, with parts arriving from domestically and abroad. Airbus commenced the assembly of the first nose and front fuselages at the beginning of July. Saint-Nazaire is home to a little over 3,000 Airbus employees and assembles, equips and tests the forward sections of the entire A320 family. The radome, air inlet and centre wing box, or CWB, are produced a little further inland along the Loire at Airbus's facilities in Nantes. Delivery of the very first CWB from Nantes to Hamburg took place in April this year. The centre wing box is always the first major component on each new aircraft development to be produced, so we must mature its design very early and manage its interdependencies with fuel systems, load calculations, as well as physical interfaces to the airframe aerostructure components developed in France, Germany and the UK. From the centre fuselage and back, it's nearly all Germany. As previously stated, the flaps come out of Bremen, a facility that sits at the crossroads of Airbus's commercial aircraft, defence and space activities. The vertical tail fin of the A321XLR is produced in the old Hanseatic city of Stade. The centre fuselage, aft fuselage, rear centre tank and rear fuselage are all made in Airbus's facilities in Hamburg, with components arriving from subcontractors such as Premium Aerotech in Augsburg. Structural assembly of the first centre and rear fuselages began in May this year. Martin Schur, head of the A321XLR development program, commented, "The pilot line dedicated to the A321XLR is ready and waiting to operate the assembly phases for the first flight test aircraft, all the way through to the entry into service." Airbus's plants in Spain bring up the rear with the tail cone and horizontal tailplane made in Getafe, close to Madrid. The location also used to be the home of the A380 horizontal stabilizers before the giant of the skies went out of production. The A321XLR is scheduled to enter service in 2023, with test flights planned for next year. Airbus has already received orders for over 450 of the jets, with American Airlines and United Airlines set to become its major operators out of the gate. Have you ever visited any of the cities that produce these A321XLR sections? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles and a podcast every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you go.